Right, so obviously everything is going Bluetooth at the minute because there's not so many phones with 3.5mm audio plugs anymore. Now this is the Syllable D9X and the operative word for this review is magnets. Now you get this rather nice hard shell pouch which contains your cables for charging the batteries. I'll show you that in a minute. And you get some little additional ear tips as well in that bag. In here you've got a little clip so you can clip this whole thing onto you. But the main crux of it is you've got a little bag here. You can put everything in that bag. But the main sort of meat of this review is this little unit here. And these two earpieces. Now these obviously are your Bluetooth left and Bluetooth right. Now we've reviewed Bluetooth plug-in headphones before. Now they're usually about this size because they're trying to get them into people's ears and make them look like as small as possible. Now obviously what Apple and now Syllable have realised is that the battery can go flat very quickly if the units are very small. So here, what they've done, and on the bottom there you should be able to see the little connector, they've made the batteries removable. And they come in this little box, which looks like something from a vaping kit. But here we've got 4 batteries. I'll just try and get that in focus for you. Now, those two are the charging, the ones that are charging at the minute. The whole unit charges via, obviously, a micro USB port, which you can plug into any USB outlet, and you get the cable with that. I've dropped one already, but here these two on the outer edge here are just storage units, so you don't charge from there. But these two are ready to go. These two are already charged, and what you basically do really easily, you've got this ready to go now. This is a left one. Here, if I actually point the camera at it, and you've got the battery pack. This is the battery pack, tiny little battery pack, and look at that. It magnetizes itself onto the earpiece, and then it will then, as you can see by the blue LED, turn on automatically, and that provides the power. So here, let's do that again. I think the LED is on this side, perhaps. There we go. So if we just put in the battery again, and there you go, it comes on automatically. So that basically is how they work, and they sit like that in your ear. And there is, every now and then I do find I am knocking it out, but I'm getting used to it. The button here on the back operates it, connects the two earpieces to each other, and then you can connect to the earpieces themselves and get full stereo. Now, I've listened to this this afternoon, had them on for about 2 hours before I had to swap the batteries, but I didn't charge the batteries. I got them straight out of the box. It does mean though you can have 2 of the batteries charging all the time here and 2 of the batteries in use. So what have we got here? So it's a 1-key operation, really easy. It's all magnetic. Even this is magnetic here, so that is held down by a magnetic well, a magnet. And I must say the sound is okay. You know, there's always with headphones this size, you do want to have a little bit more bass, but the bass is good enough. Obviously, you swap those batteries around when you need to. The power bank has 4 of the batteries, so when you want to get moving again and you want to move and relocate, you basically just open this up. You take your little batteries out, you pop that in there, pop that one in there, close it up, and you can either put it in the pouch there, or you can put it in this really hard, well, you can carry the headphones by themselves, but you put it in that hard shell case, and it keeps them really nice, because I find at least with headphones like this, it's carrying them around that's a bit of a faff because they're quite small. Now, because they're in a unit like this, it's just a lot easier, and obviously you can put that a clip on here and have it like that. But that's an overview of the Syllable D9X wireless Bluetooth headphones.